I had 2 lectures today. The first was on maxillary expansion in adults without surgery. And this is a topic which raises quite some controversies because many people don't think it's necessary or surgery is fine. But if we know that the side effects of surgery are quite heavy, if you ask the patients, they prefer not to need surgery. And the biggest expansion that we could do was 17 millimeters in a woman, but what we do average is 10, 12, 13 millimeters, which gives a beautiful appearance, wonderful smile, and enough space for the teeth, so we don't have to extract teeth in many cases. And the breathing is a lot better, much more place for the tongue. So there is not much negative you could say about it, except that you have to invest some time and to go through this procedure. But people enjoy it. Oh, it's amazing. I tell you, right over there stands my son. And about 20 years ago, he went to secondary school and he had to write a diploma work. And we chose Dubai as a diploma topic. And at this time, there was a lot of sand still in Dubai. There was no high-rise, this many high-rise building. The airport was not built. Only the Palm Island was about to be built. And I said, we take this topic because they have a master plan and they have such a strong mind. It's amazing to me. And coming back after 20 years and seeing that all this is realized, I think, and this I've been in many dozen spaces in the world, American Congress speaker, European Congress speaker. I have had the seminars ahead of congresses. I have been managed by a lot of people, but I've never been managed so professional than here. Really amazing. And so charming people, very, very nice people. Thank you very much, I have to say. I have to say thank you to Dr. Pratik Manani. He had a wonderful communication, and Amy, she even organized a meet and greet service at the door of the airplane to the hotel. I have never had this in my life before. Thank you, Amy, really.